When it comes to finding the top 5 best travel stroller for infant, convenience, safety, and portability are key. These strollers are designed to make your adventures stress-free, offering lightweight frames, smooth maneuverability, and secure features for your little one's comfort. Whether you're flying or strolling through new destinations, the right travel stroller ensures every journey is seamless and enjoyable. Number 1. Summer Lightweight Stroller. The Summer Lightweight Stroller is a versatile option designed for families who need a reliable and easy-to-use stroller. Weighing just 17 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight yet durable, making it ideal for everyday use or travel. Its standout feature is the quick close technology, allowing for effortless one-handed folding in seconds, perfect for busy parents on the go. This stroller is compatible with several car seats, including the Summer Affirm 335, Graco Snug Ride, and Chico Keyfit models, making it a seamless choice for infants transitioning from car rides to strolls. Safety and comfort are prioritized with its 5-point harness and adjustable reclining seat, ensuring a secure and cozy experience for your little one. It also excels in storage, featuring a spacious under-seat basket, a back pocket, and a cell phone holder to keep essentials organized. Whether it's groceries, toys, or snacks, everything can be easily accessed without hassle. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise maneuverability, offering smooth handling even in tight spaces. Ideal for parents who value convenience and practicality, this stroller strikes a balance between function and comfort. Whether you're navigating city streets or running errands, the Summer Lightweight Stroller provides a dependable and stylish solution for your daily adventures. Number 2. Ingenuity Stroller. The Ingenuity Stroller combines lightweight design with practical features, making it a top pick for parents on the move. At just 11 pounds, its durable steel frame offers exceptional portability without sacrificing sturdiness. The compact fold with an auto-lock mechanism ensures easy storage and travel, whether you're heading to the park or boarding a plane. Comfort is at the forefront with a full-size seat, adjustable 4-position recline, and padded seat back, providing a snug and secure environment for children up to 45 pounds. The 5-point harness with adjustable shoulder straps grows with your child, ensuring safety at every stage. The extended canopy with a flip-out sun visor offers ample protection from harmful rays, while the anti-shock front wheels and lockable rear wheels ensure a smooth, stable ride. Convenience extends to parents, with thoughtful additions like cushioned handlebars, dual cup holders, and a rear storage pocket. The large under-seat basket provides plenty of room for essentials, ensuring you're always prepared for outings. Its compact size and lightweight frame make it perfect for daily use or travel, offering unmatched ease and reliability. For parents seeking a straightforward yet feature-rich stroller, the Ingenuity Stroller stands out as a dependable and user-friendly option. Number 3. Mompush Whiz Infant Stroller. The Mompush Whiz Infant Stroller is a versatile and luxurious choice for parents seeking a stroller that grows with their child. Designed to accommodate newborns, it's compatible with maxi-cosi and nuna car seats, allowing you to use it right from birth. Its innovative design converts easily from a bassinet to a stroller, featuring full recline for maximum comfort during naps or long strolls. One of its standout features is the reversible seat, offering the flexibility of parent-facing for reassurance or outward-facing for exploration. The omnidirectional wheels provide effortless 360-degree maneuverability, complemented by advanced suspension for a smooth and cushioned ride. With a faux leather handle, pushing the stroller feels both comfortable and stylish. Storage is another strong suit of the Mompush Whiz. Its compact frame doesn't compromise on storage capacity, offering ample under-seat space for diaper bags, toys, and essentials. Whether you're heading out for a quick errand or an all-day adventure, this stroller has you covered. The UPF 50+ canopy with ventilation panels ensures maximum sun protection and airflow, making it perfect for any weather. With included foot and rain covers, this stroller is ready for all conditions. The Mompush Whiz combines style, functionality, and comfort, making it a premium choice for modern families. Number 4. Kolcraft Baby Stroller. The Kolcraft Baby Stroller is an ultra-lightweight and practical option for parents who value convenience and mobility. Weighing only 12.87 pounds, it's Disney size approved, making it perfect for airplane travel and vacations. Its compact folded dimensions and one-hand steering allow for easy maneuvering through tight spaces, ideal for busy families on the go. The 3-tier extended canopy provides maximum sun protection, with a peekaboo window for quick checks on your baby. The reclining seat, equipped with a 5-point safety restraint system, offers comfort and security for children up to 50 pounds. While it doesn't recline completely flat, the seat adjusts well for naps or relaxed rides. Parents will appreciate the generous storage options, including a large under-seat basket and a removable child tray with a drink holder. The parent tray features 2 cup holders and extra storage for phones or keys, ensuring everything you need is within reach. All-terrain wheels and front suspension provide a smooth ride, whether you're navigating city sidewalks or park paths. With its lightweight design, user-friendly features, and thoughtful storage, the Kolcraft Baby Stroller is a reliable choice for families who love to travel or need a dependable everyday stroller. Number 5. MAMAZING Baby Stroller. The MAMAZING Baby Stroller redefines portability with its lightweight carbon fiber frame, weighing just 11.5 pounds. Its compact design folds effortlessly, making it a hassle-free solution for storage and travel. Whether you're loading it into a car trunk or stowing it in an overhead bin on an airplane, this stroller's space-saving design is a game-changer for modern families. Equipped with a user-friendly fold and unfold system, transitioning between strolling and storage is quick and seamless. This thoughtful design ensures parents can focus on creating memorable outings without the frustration of complicated mechanisms. Safety and comfort are prioritized with a UV protective UPF 50+ canopy, shielding your child from harmful sun rays while offering adjustable coverage for changing angles throughout the day. The ample underseat basket provides generous storage space for diaper bags, snacks, and toys, ensuring parents can carry all essentials without compromise. Despite its lightweight frame, the stroller is built for durability, offering a sturdy and reliable ride. Its compact and ergonomic design makes it a standout choice for families seeking convenience and functionality. For parents looking for a stroller that combines modern materials, innovative features, and ultimate portability, the MAMAZING Baby Stroller delivers exceptional value and quality. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.